Why digital clutter matters.
Digital clutter makes devices slow and searching for important files difficult. Duplicate files, like repeated photos, documents, or downloads, are a common culprit. Regularly cleaning them up not only frees up storage space, but also helps you work more efficiently. Keeping your digital life organized reduces stress and saves valuable time, letting you focus on what truly matters.
Understanding duplicate files.
Duplicate files can result from accidental downloads, copied documents, or syncing errors. These unwanted copies take up precious storage and may cause confusion, as you might edit the wrong version. Identifying duplicates is the first step toward a cleaner digital experience. Recognizing patterns in how duplicates appear helps you choose the right tools and methods for safe removal.
Safe tools for automatic removal.
Several trustworthy tools can automatically scan and help remove duplicate files. Options like CCleaner, Duplicate Cleaner, and Gemini 2 are user-friendly and widely recommended. Always select tools with strong reputations and positive reviews. Most software lets you preview files before deletion, an essential safety step to avoid losing something important. Investigate features and settings to make sure they fit your needs.
Steps to remove duplicates safely.
Begin by backing up your important files. Next, install your chosen duplicate file finder and let it scan your selected folders. Carefully review the identified duplicates. Many tools highlight exact matches, but manual checks add another layer of safety. Once reviewed, proceed with removal, confident you're not losing anything essential. Regular cleanups keep your device healthy and your mind clear.
Tips to prevent future digital clutter.
Practice good file management by naming documents clearly and organizing them into logical folders. Delete unnecessary downloads right away and empty your recycle bin regularly. Schedule periodic duplicate checks using your trusted tool. If you use Cloud Sync, review settings to avoid unwanted duplication. With a proactive approach, you'll keep your digital life streamlined, efficient, and stress-free.